Strong winds wreak havoc at Heathrow, leading to the cancellation of around 100 flights today. The Met Office has issued weather warnings with gusts reaching up to 75 miles per hour, impacting travel plans across the UK. Ferry services are disrupted and rail speed restrictions are in place, while road congestion builds with millions traveling for Christmas. Despite today's chaos, conditions are set to improve with milder weather expected for Christmas week. Stay informed and check for updates to navigate this challenging travel period safely.